Hello scholars, how are you? This is Mr. C.L. Gautam. Scholars, today I am going to discuss third poem of Flamingo, that is Keeping Quiet by Pablo Neruda. So let's get started. बिना देर किए हम पोएम की तरफ चलते हैं. Keeping Quiet by Pablo Neruda. Introduction. The poem Keeping Quiet, written by Pablo Neruda, discusses the need of maintaining peace and silence. Here, poet stresses upon being quiet and harmless to the human beings, animals, and environment. He suggests that in order to maintain peace and harmony, it is required to stop and introspect ourselves. यहाँ पोएट पाठकों से अपील करता है कि शांति बनाए रखने के लिए मेडिटेशन की ज़रूरत होती है. हमें मनुष्य के प्रति, जानवरों के प्रति, पर्यावरण के प्रति उदार तथा दयालु रहना पड़ेगा. इसके लिए हमें इंट्रोस्पेक्शन या फिर मेडिटेशन की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. ओके, चलिए क्वेश्चन की तरफ चलते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट विल काउंटिंग अप टू 12 एंड कीपिंग स्टिल हेल्प अस टू अचीव. और नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इसी में बन जाएगा, व्हाट डज द पोएट वांट अस टू डू इन द पोएम कीपिंग क्वाइट. इसमें कहता है 12 काउंट करने तथा शांति बनाए रखने से हमें क्या प्राप्त होगा. तो आंसर, काउंटिंग अप टू 12 takes very short time. It helps to introspect and review our activities. It is generally observed that most of the ills and troubles of the world are caused by our rush and inactivity. Meditation will help to start our activities afresh in a better manner. Keeping quiet will help them to become good human being on this earth. So here poet कहता है 12 काउंट करने में बहुत थोड़ा सा समय लगेगा और यह इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करने से हमें अपने अंदर रिव्यू करना होगा. हमारी एक्टिविटी को हम रिव्यू करेंगे और इससे यह हमें जानकारी मिलती है कि जो हमारी इल्स हैं, ट्रबल्स हैं, यह इसकी जिम्मेदारी हम खुद ही होते हैं, जो कि हमारी रस और इनएक्टिविटी से शुरू होता है. मेडिटेशन विल हेल्प टू स्टार्ट आवर एक्टिविटीज़ अफ्रेश. मेडिटेशन करने से हमें एक अच्छे ज्ञान की प्राप्ति होती है, जिसके द्वारा हम अपने जीवन को रिफ्रेश दोबारा स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. और यह मेडिटेशन ही एक हमें अच्छा इंसान बनने के लिए मदद कर सकता है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, डू यू थिंक दैट द पोएट एडवोकेट्स टोटल इनएक्टिविटी विद डेथ. क्या आप सोचते हो, आपको लगता है कि पोएट टोटल इनएक्टिविटी को डेथ से रिलेट करता है. इसका आंसर, स्टिलनेस शुड नॉट बी कन्फ्यूज विद टोटल इनएक्टिविटी. यहाँ पर हमें पोएट कहता है कि हमें स्टिलनेस तथा टोटल इनएक्टिविटी में कन्फ्यूज नहीं होना होगा. द पोएट रिफ्यूजेस टू एसोसिएट इनएक्टिविटी विद डेथ. पोएट इनएक्टिविटी को डेथ से रिलेट करने से इनकार करता है. ड्यूरिंग मेडिटेशन वी हियर द वॉइस ऑफ कंसाइंस इन मोमेंट ऑफ साइलेंस. मेडिटेशन वी कैन लिसन द वॉइस ऑफ आवर हार्ट. It will help us to understand ourselves, and introspection will help us to understand ourselves. Stillness means stopping our harmful activity. When you are doing meditation and introspection, it will stop us to stop any cruel activities. Third question, what is the sadness that the poet Pablo Neruda refers to in the poem Keeping Quiet. Here poet says, what is the sadness of person which cause him sad. What is the sadness of poet Pablo Neruda? Answer, the sadness that Pablo Neruda is worried about in his poem is the sadness of isolation that has made the man self-centered. Due to sadness is that a person is also becoming single-minded. Yes, that has made the man self-centered, greedy and uncaring. Man is the creator of all disasters. He is always threatening himself with death because of his thoughts and actions. This is the tragedy of life. Okay. Question number 4. What are the different kinds of war mentioned in the poem? What is Neruda's attitude towards these wars? Answer. The poet is against the wars of all kinds. Poet is totally against of all kinds of war. He wants total stoppage of war. There are three types of war mentioned in the poem. First one is green wars against environment. Second, wars with poisonous gases. Third, wars with fire must be stopped at once. This such type of war that should be terminated, stopped. Fifth, what is the exotic moment the poet Pablo Neruda wishes for? And second question, guys, here, why does one feel a sudden strangeness on the counting up to 12 and keeping quiet? Answer of this question: it will be a very exciting and beautiful moment while you are doing meditation. The meditation will just during that time it will be very exciting and beautiful moment. When everyone keeps quiet, there will be no rush for a second. During meditation, pin drop silence. The machine must stop for a moment. That moment will be fascinating for all of us. Okay? All of us will enjoy the sudden strangeness of the moment together. Sixth, scholars, if the question is what is the central idea, what is the summary, you have to write all these things. The steps whatever I have given here. Answer. The title of the poem is quite appropriate and logical. It suggests the necessity of quiet introspection. The people of the world are overactive and always on the move. Their activities have caused untold troubles and sufferings. Keeping quiet will help them to become good human beings on this earth. It will save them from many harmful and violent activities. Men never understand themselves. Nor they ever sure of their actions. They face another tragedy due to their own actions. They are threatening themselves with death. इसके बाद गाइज annotations means word note. Number 1, exotic, unusual feeling, exciting feeling. Second, inactivity, doing nothing. Third, drag with means associated with. Fourth, interrupt, disturb. Fifth, threatening, causing a threat. Sixth, strangeness, unusual, surprising. Now MCQs. Number 1, what does the title of poem suggest? पोएम की टाइटल क्या सजेस्ट करती है? मेंटेनेंस ऑफ साइलेंस. कीपिंग क्वाइट मीन्स शॉर्ट इंटरवल ऑफ साइलेंस या मेंटेनेंस ऑफ साइलेंस. सेकंड, व्हाट डज द पोएम स्पीक अबाउट? आंसर, पोएम स्पीक अबाउट द नेसेसिटी टू इंट्रोस्पेक्ट, understand and have feeling of brotherhood. Third, what does counting up to 12 signify and how will it help? Answer, hours of the day, month of the year, it will help to create peace and harmony. Fourth, how is poet's pen name? What is poet's pen name? Pablo Neruda. Fifth, why does the poet ask people not to speak? Because it creates barrier or obstacles in the form of misunderstanding among people. Sixth, what is the rhyming scheme used in the poem? राइमिंग स्कीम क्या है इसकी? फ्री वर्स है, कोई इसमें रूल और रेगुलेशन नहीं है, सिंपल. सेवंथ, हाउ विल कीपिंग क्वाइट प्रोटेक्ट आवर इन्वायरमेंट? आंसर, बाय क्रिएटिंग पीस एंड ब्रदरहुड फीलिंग. एट्थ, व्हाट डज नंबर 12 सिग्निफाई? ये रिपीट हुआ है क्वेश्चन, ऊपर आंसर दिए हुए हैं. नाइन्थ, व्हाट डज द पोएम कीपिंग क्वाइट टीचर्स? इट टीचेज अस टू बी पीसफुल, thoughtful, and have feeling of brotherhood. 10th, not move our arms. What does this expression refer to? Means answer sitting still without any movement. 11th, what does the earth symbolize? Perseverance means determined and new beginning from seemingly stillness. 12th, what is always alive even when everything seems to be dead or still? Earth and nature are always alive. It means on the earth, if everything seems to be dead, means internal, inside there is life. Later it proves to be alive, germinate. 13th, why is the moment of just silence called exotic? Answer, because of perfect peace and harmony. 14th, what is the poet expecting from fishermen? To think and stop harming the fish. 15th, while gathering salt, what will happen to man if he keeps silent for a moment? Answer, he will think of the harm the salt is doing to his hands. So guys, scholars, I hope ये आपको काफ़ी हेल्पफुल होगा. इसको ट्वाइस थ्राइस रिवाइज करिए, दैट विल बी क्लियर टू यू. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच.